Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, Den.
I don't know why you say goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love.
Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please, I on my knees. I tried what you want me to.
Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again. And we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you.
The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we'll be happy together. Never knew that it will go so far. When you let me on that boulevard, come again, you release my pain, and we could no love us again.
Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while, just for a smile and laugh together.
For I will show, please I know, in Tokyo where we could be happy forever.
Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again, you release my pain, and we could be lovers again.
Never thought that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you will release my pain, and I could love us again. Okay, asli.